How to get promo codes for connects in Upwork. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get promo code for connects in Upwork. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the Upwork's official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And after that, in order to find or get the promo codes, all you have to do is just simply go to the Chrome web store. I would recommend you to download this particular extension which says Upwork, which will help you find the promo codes for different website and across website where you need promo codes and you sometimes find it very difficult to find a good promo code. So this extension will help you out there. Extension, just simply add it into your Chrome, and after that just simply come back to the Upwork's official website, and after that just click on the profile section from the top right corner, and from there just simply click on connects, and over here just simply click on buy connects and just scroll down, and first of all just select how many connects and the amount that you would want to buy it for. And in the promo code section, just simply open the Upwork's official website, and on the search bar over here just search for Upwork. Right now it says that there is zero coupon available for the Upwork, but there are always some coupon or promo codes available for each and every website on Upwork. Right now there might be some issues with which the promo codes are not available, but you will be able to find afterwards after some time maybe, but right now it is not showing to me. So just simply come here, and once you find the promo code available, the promo code will automatically fill up over here in your website itself. You just simply have to click on apply, and you will be able to get the discount and through the promo code while buying the connects. So this is basically how you'll do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.